What's up, guys? So today in this video what we're going to be going through is we're going to be adding some random functionality with the Alexa voice skills along with using Airtable as the backend. So we're going to be interacting with Airtable data through Alexa voice. And so if you're interested in that, stick around. But if you haven't met me before, my name is Bengreen. I'm the owner of optimizeis, and what we do is we help business owners probably just like you, help them optimize their information systems. So that's on stuff like Airtable, Asana, and Slack, and also Zapier to connect all the systems and make them work really well together. So if you're interested in any services, you can check out the link in the description and request a consultation from me or someone on my team. Without further ado, we'll get right in the video now. So what I'm going to be showing you is two things. So if you recognize this, you know this is an Airtable base, and this has like a partial deck of cards. It also has contests, so it has names in here and pictures and everything. And then it also has dice, so we'll roll a dice here and get 1 through 6. Now what we also have is I'm going to be showing you Alexa voice. So this is in the Amazon Alexa Developer Console, and the reason why I will be showing it to you this way is because if I show it to you this way, you can see the screen without me having to like record my Echo Show 8 on my desk. So this is going to show you it like exactly what it would look like on a voice with the visual display, as well as like what the invocations are, which invocations are like what you're talking to, like how you're talking to Alexa. So if I say something to make Alexa do something, that's called an invocation. So it's going to show all of that voice stuff up here, which is what we're talking to Alexa about. So this one is specifically, we're going to start out and I'm going to be showing you the whole process of drawing a random card from a deck of cards. So I know there's a lot of card usage, but we're going to be showing you drawing from this table right here, and as you just saw, it's going to pull the image in there from this table. It's going to pull the name, so the ace or the jack or the king, and what it's doing is it's drawing that based on the record ID. So it's randomizing it using the record ID, to my understanding, and then it's pulling in the related attachment, and it's pulling in the related primary field or name over here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back into the Alexa Developer Console, and we're going to say, Alexa, open random card drawing.
Welcome to random card drawing using voice with Airtable. When you would like a random card, say, draw a random card.
Draw a random card.
As you wish. A random card. Jack. Face cards. When you're ready, say, draw a random card.
Perfect. So we can see that we drew a jack of clubs, and it also has the image. So if we come back here now to the jack of clubs, we can see that's the second record. It didn't just pull the first one that came up, which would be the ace. So it is random, and it pulled in that it's a clubs, it's the jack. Yeah, it pulled in that image too. So we'll draw another one here. Draw a random card.
Here is a random card.
King. Face cards. When you're ready, say, draw a random card.
So there we got the king that time. So instead of the ace, we now got the king. So now we'll try it again, and we'll see. Draw a random card.
As you wish. A random card. Jack. Face cards. When you're ready, say, draw a random card.
So there we got the jack again. Draw a random card.
Right. Here is a random card.
Jack. Face cards. When you're ready, say, draw a random card.
So there you can see we got the jack of diamonds that time, and it has like the picture from the Airtable base, and it also has jack and diamonds there. So that was pretty cool. I think it has some great functionality just to showcase this use case. But furthermore, like extrapolating from this use case, if you say had a competition, you wanted to demo something like this, you could have Alexa draw a random card, or maybe you want to like pull a random tarot card in the morning. There's really a lot of business-minded use cases for this, as well as just personal and like pleasure-minded use cases for this. Besides this specific one, so something that has even more business use cases is just this Airtable and Alexa voice functionality. So with these two softwares meeting here with the Alexa Developer Console, which You'd be able to use that on your phone, as long as your phone can talk to you with like Alexa voice. With any Amazon products, it works exceptionally well. I'm using it on a Mac here. I know many people are using this on the PC, and so whatever the use case is, you can interact with data. And I know last week we showed some like updating records and viewing records and creating records. So all of that can be done, but there's also other use cases such as this where you want a more visual display. So if you wanted to pull up information about a specific client, you could do that here, or a random client, you could do it here. So maybe like you're cooking and you're like, bring up the recipe for this recipe, say its name, and then it'll bring up maybe the image there, and then on the right you could have it pull up whatever. So all of that can be really custom done in here using Airtable as the back end, and which I know a lot of people are already using the Airtable as like the back end of their business. So adding this extra layer of voice on here, it just really takes it to the next level. So if you have a use case that you would like to see me demo on here with the Alexa Developer Console, or just with Alexa, as well as connecting it with Airtable, maybe seeing me pull up a client or update a client or add an interaction or whatever that looks like for you and your business, I would love you to throw it down in the comments and comment whatever you would like to see demoed in here. Maybe you're curious if it's possible, or you want to see something very specific to you and your business. I would love to know in the comments. That way we can show you some really cool examples. So without further ado, I hope you have a great day. And if you're curious about what we did last week, which was like the creating records, updating records, and deleting records with voice, then you can check out the end screen like right in the middle of the screen right down here. And you can go click that and go view last week's video, which it'll probably be new to most everybody, but it really shows interacting with posting or creating records into Airtable from Alexa. So it's Alexa doing all the heavy work. She's using some good fields and putting it into very specifically formatted fields that you would also probably use in your business or in your personal life or whatever that looks like for you. So go check out that end screen right there if you want to learn more about Alexa voice. Without further ado, I hope you have a great day. I'll see you there.